Hi, this is Michael Mongeli from MarineMax in Sarasota. I'm standing on a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This particular boat features a 300, white 300 Mercury. And as you move forward here, you see the great layout deck space here on the 230 Vantage. Plenty of spot area back here for fishing. Features an aft fold down bench seat. Plenty of room to sit around this area. There's an available table that inserts down here, and you can congregate on that, around that table. One of the staples of the 230 Vantage is this seat configuration. You can seat forward, you can sit aft. It's adjustable, it's slotted, so you can recline it all the way down. Another component of this seating feature is the available live well option. So you can access your fishing needs in the cockpit area and not disturb people moving forward. Freshwater sink here, featuring the Yeti cooler. Really great head component layout. Freshwater sink there in the left corner. We're getting to the helm here. You see a nice captain's chair here. Plenty of room here for electronics. Analog gauges, fusion stereo. Underneath the hardtop feature, which we're standing underneath, you can see this is a light blue hull boat, and the underbelly of this hardtop matches that to match the hull color. As you move forward here, see plenty of cushion seating here at the bow. Table insert here, freshwater washdown, which leads up to the available windlass anchor option with handheld remote. Also attached to this hardtop, as you move back here towards the boat, you'll notice the very nice optioned sure shade retractable sunshade, which retracts back over the aft part of the boat. So this is a light blue hull 2019 230 Vantage from Boston Whaler here in MarineMax Sarasota. Call us at any time, 610-941-3380.